Good day everyone, my name is Anthony Chinedu. Today I'm going to show you how to use Gofrekoya University Virtual Classroom. So first and first, you need a login details. So to receive your login details, you must pay your fees, your school fees and your ICT. And once you have paid your tuition fee and your ICT, the ICT unit will send you your login details to your active mail. So when you go to your email, you're going to see a mail from Gofrekoya University e-learning. You click on it, then you read the message: a new account has been created for you at Gofrekoya University Online Learning. Then this is your username and your password. So to reset your password, you click on the link. So when you click on the link, you copy out your username. You copy out the username. You paste it here. Copy out your password and you paste it here. You click on login. So when you successfully log in, you have to create a new password. So it will request your current password. So this is your current password. The password sent to your email is your current password. You go on, paste it here, then create a new password. Then you click on save changes. Password has been changed. You click on continue. So when you successfully log in, this is your dashboard. As you can see, there's no course. So to enroll in a course, you can click the menu. You can click on undergraduate courses. So when you click on undergraduate courses, it's going to show you all the courses under undergraduate courses. So from the undergraduate course page, you can search using your course code. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use GST555. Then I will search for GST555. Click on go. So this is the course page. So I'll click on the course. So when I click on the course, it will show me the enrollment option. So to enroll in this course now, I will click on enroll me. So I have successfully enrolled in this course. You can see the message, you are enrolled in the course. So now that I'm enrolled, I'll have access to the lecture notes, the virtual classroom, the first assignment, and the quiz. So let me show you how to download your lecture notes. When you click on lecture notes, it's going to open as a PDF file. So when you click on the PDF, then you'll be able to download the lecture notes. You can decide to download it to your computer or to your phone. So to join the virtual classroom, have replaced Zoom. So it's more cheaper to use the virtual classroom unlike Zoom. And with this, you can have your lectures without interruption. The lecturers can teach for more than 45 minutes unlike Zoom. In terms of data consumption, it consumes 50% data less than Zoom. So to join the virtual classroom, the lecturer will start the virtual classroom. When you have the class, you go online, log in. So instead of clicking on lecture notes now, you have class, then you click on virtual classroom. So when you click on virtual classroom, when you scroll down, you see the previous lectures. In case you missed the previous classes, you can see the previous classes here. Then waiting for moderator. So your lecturer is your moderator, and you're going to wait for the lecturer to join before you're able to join the virtual classroom. Once you get to this page and you get this message, you know that the lecturer is here to start the virtual classroom. So you have to wait for the lecturer to join the virtual classroom before you'll be able to join. So you can see this class is in progress because the lecturer has started the virtual classroom. This session started at 14:10. There's one moderator, which is the lecturer. Then you click on join session. When you click on join session, it's going to redirect you to the virtual classroom. So you're going to join with listen only. As a student, you click on listen only. The virtual classroom interface. From the left hand side, you can see the users online. You can see the lecturer. You can also see you as, which is the student. This is the public chat. If you want to chat publicly, this is the public chat. And if there's any presentation or if there's any screen share, this is where you're going to see the screen share if the lecturer is sharing his or her screen. Then if you want to on your webcam, you want the lecturer to see you, or you want other students to see you, you can on your cam here. You can share your cam, but it's advisable to leave your cam off so that your data will not, so that you save your data. So from here, it depends on what the lecturer wants to do, but when you are done, you click on logout. So how to submit your assignment. From the course page, you have downloaded your lecture notes, you know how to join the virtual classroom, and this is the first assignment from the lecturer. Dashboard, my course, Justify 55. So this is the course page. So to submit your first assignment, you click on first assignment. You scroll down, due date. So this assignment will be due on Friday, 2nd October 2020, time 12:00 a.m. So it simply means that you have to submit your assignment before the due date. So when you scroll down, you add submission. So this is the assignment based on define a computer system. So all the assignments you submit it online, depending on the lecturer. Maybe the lecturer will say upload a file. But if it is a test-based assignment, it simply means that you have to enter the test online and click on submit. So this particular assignment is a test-based assignment. You don't have to upload any file. You just type and submit. So time remaining, I have 9 hours and 43 minutes to submit this assignment. So I'll click on add submission. When you click on add submission, and the question is define a computer system, then I will type a computer system is, so this is where you type the answer to the assignment. Then when you are done, you click on save changes. When you click on save changes and you look at this submission status, it's telling you that the assignment is not submitted and also not graded. When you scroll down now, you can edit this submission, you can remove the submission, or you submit your assignment finally. So when you click on edit submission, because you have 9 hours 41 minutes remaining, you'll be able to edit this assignment and submit. You can still make changes to your submission. Once this assignment is submitted, you'll not be able to make any more changes. So because I still have time, I can still edit this assignment. But if I decide to click on the submit assignment button now, I will not be able to edit the assignment again. So let me go ahead and submit this assignment. So you get a message. Are you sure you want to submit your work for grading? you will not be able to make any more changes. Then I'll click on continue. So you can see the status now, submitted for grading. So when you submit it for grading, your lecturer will view the assignment and grade the assignment. You're going to get a notification when your lecturer have graded your assignment. So as you can see, submitted for grading status graded. So when you move down the grade, you can see the feedback from the lecturer. The lecturer gave me 20/100 and it was graded on Thursday, 1st October 2020, and you're going to see the name of the lecturer that graded the assignment, and you can see the lecturer's feedback comments. The lecturer says well done. So the assignment module is well designed and is designed in such a way that as you're submitting your assignment, your lecturers, they are getting the notification. This is all about using Gouni University online learning platform and virtual classroom integration. We have successfully logged in, downloaded the lecture notes, joined the virtual classroom. Just note that when you are joining the virtual classroom, you have to use the timetable. So if you have a class, at 9 on Monday, it means that at 9 you log into the virtual classroom, then join the class. You're able to take your lectures. You have another class by 11, you log into the course page, click on the virtual classroom and join the class. So you're going to use the first semester timetable to know when you will join the virtual classroom online. Then for the assignment, I've shown you how to submit your assignments online and also get feedback from your lecturer on the grading and also if there's any comments on it. So the virtual classroom is very easy to use. You can see the interface of the online learning platform. You can search for your courses. You can see the available courses. It's user friendly and it's very easy to use. So if you have any suggestion or any feedback, or you're having challenges logging in, you can send us an email or you send us chats on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.